If you're still feeding your kids regular old ice cream, you're gonna wanna watch this video. Hey guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making cottage cheese ice cream. Cottage cheese is the new cauliflower. I feel like I'm like doing an ad for cottage cheese. I love doing viral trends, they're so fun. Cottage cheese is the new hottest food trend on social media. I cannot scroll without seeing a new cottage cheese recipe. If you are anything like me or my children, who definitely got my sweet tooth, you could definitely sit down and eat an entire pint of ice cream in one sitting. So these recipes are perfect for anyone with a sweet tooth. They have clean, simple ingredients in them. There's no refined sugar in these recipes, no additives, no preservatives, none of that stuff. You're gonna feel good about feeding this to your kids. You're gonna feel good when you end up eating all of their leftovers or dig into it once you put them to bed. Oh yeah, duh, the best part, these are packed with protein. And as always, I'll leave a link to all the written recipes for you guys down below in the description box. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, really quick, tap the subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so we're starting with 2 cups, a 16-ounce tub of full-fat cottage cheese. And just pour this into your blender. You can also use a food processor. And don't throw away the tub. We're gonna pour the ice cream back in here before we freeze it so we don't have to dirty another dish. I'm using full-fat cottage cheese. It's 4% milk fat. That is gonna give you the creamiest, dreamiest desserts. You're gonna wanna use the full fat though, trust me on this one. Okay, this cottage cheese has 14 grams for half a cup serving. That's insane. If you add nut butters, protein powders, anything like that, you're totally gonna bump up the protein even more. Full-fat cottage cheese also has less water content than the low-fat or fat-free, so it's gonna make your desserts extra creamy and not crystallize the ice cream. For the sweetener, we're not doing any refined sugars today. We're doing liquid sweeteners, so you could do honey, agave, maple syrup. My favorite's agave. Honey has like a little bit too much of a honey flavor for me, so I like agave. It's really neutral, low glycemic index, so you're not gonna get that sugar crash that you're gonna get from regular sugar. The liquid sweeteners blend seamlessly into the cottage cheese, so there's no grit from the sugar. They work perfect. Next, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of agave. Of course, I have to get like every last drop. Okay, and last, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's 3 ingredients in this ice cream. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, and now here is where you're going to get creative and do whatever flavor combo you want. I'm doing strawberry today with sprinkles. So we're just gonna add this to the blender. Okay, now we're just gonna blend this up. You just wanna make sure it's nice and creamy. I'm stopping it halfway through and scraping down the sides of the blender. And we're gonna give it 1 more pulse until it is nice and smooth. We're just gonna pour it back into the container. Okay, then I'm just gonna stir in my sprinkles. And you can do any flavor combination you want. I did strawberry sprinkle because pink is my daughter's favorite color and she loves rainbow sprinkles, so it just seemed fitting. You can get creative. You can add a tablespoon or 2 of nut butter. You can do crushed cookie for a cookies and cream, a little peppermint extract with chocolate chips for a mint chip. Whatever your favorite ice cream flavor is, go for it. If you don't want to do strawberries, you can do another low water content fruit like mangoes or bananas. I'm gonna give it a little taste test. Oh my God, it's really good. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like strawberry cheesecake. So you definitely have a little bit of that cheesiness in there, not like cottage cheese because it's sweet. Oh my gosh, duh, I almost forgot the best part. I created these labels to go right on top of the cottage cheese container to make it look like ice cream. So when you're serving it to your kids, they're not like, why are you scooping ice cream out of a cottage cheese container? It just makes it really fun so you can surprise them with a little treat. I'll leave the link down below in the description if you guys want to download these templates and print them and tape them right onto your cottage cheese containers too. I'm gonna put the rest of the leftovers in a Pyrex to freeze for myself. Now we're just gonna pop this in the freezer for about 4 hours until it's firm in the consistency of ice cream, and we'll scoop it and give it a try. Honestly, you can serve this to your kids as just like a yogurt alternative. If your kids don't like cottage cheese, blend up a little cottage cheese with a little agave or honey and frozen fruit. It's just so good. Well, that's in the freezer. I want to compare regular ice cream to our cottage cheese ice cream. So protein, okay, 2 grams of protein in a serving of strawberry ice cream, and ours had 14 grams, but wait, carbs, 3 grams of carbs in a serving, and ice cream had 20. So 20 grams of carbs and 2 grams of protein versus 3 carbs and 14 grams of protein. I mean, the taste test will only reveal whether it's worth it or not. I can't wait. I'm excited. Look at that. It looks like ice cream. Okay, we could have froze it longer, but I kind of am impatient and couldn't wait. It looks like ice cream. It scoops like ice cream. Look how cute. This is cute. Let's give it a try. That's pretty good. That's really good. Listen, it doesn't taste like real ice cream. If you want real ice cream, go get real ice cream, but it kind of tastes like a frozen yogurt. I mean, I think my kids will love it. I give it 6.5 out of 10. I mean, it's cold, it's good, it's creamy. It tastes the strawberries. I wonder what this would be like in, I mean, I want to say chocolate because I like chocolate. Maybe I just don't like strawberry ice cream either. In the cute little packaging, I mean. Okay, I'm gonna give a scoop to my kids, see how they like it. Make sure to share this video with a friend who would want to try cottage cheese ice cream. And if you give it a try, be sure to tag me on social media at LindsayAnn. Let me know which ones you tried so I can go see all of your recreations. And if you guys like this video, make sure to tap the thumbs up and leave me a comment so I know to make more videos just like it and we can try some more viral food trends. Thanks so much for watching till the end. I'm gonna go eat this before it fully melts. See you guys right here next time. Bye. Okay, I don't know if it's just my feed because it's curated to the kind of content I consume or what, but I couldn't keep scrolling to see another cottage cheese ice cream recipe without trying it. So I gave it a try, but you wanna know what I did? If you don't know me well enough already, okay, if you know me, you're not gonna be surprised, but I made a